Let me take you to another adventure. Hey guys, welcome back for another food blog, and today we'll be visiting Cafe Gaia at Manaoag, Pangasinan. You know, I've been trying to go to this cafe for the longest time, but they're always closed on my day offs, and they're only open on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday because, of course, who needs a rest day other than the hardworking people right here, right? So this is the facade of the place. Their interior, they also have an outdoor hut where you can al fresco dining. At this hour, this was around lunchtime. It's really quite hot outside. So we just opted to stay in their indoor air-conditioned space. Now we ordered a couple of drinks and a few of their pastries and their grilled cheese. So for the drinks, we ordered this aromatic drink, their lemongrass lilikoi, which has lemongrass, calamansi, and passion fruit. Their Gaia melt grilled cheese is totally the best. Their canales, midnight pistachio, canape brownie, and their Vietnamese coffee. So those are what we had, and all of them tasted wonderful. And when I say wonderful, I mean wonderful. Just look at that cheese pull, and I highly recommend their food. I know how much heart they put into it, and I love their decor. They opt for a more aesthetic wood and white interior, and you can play games inside to pass the time as well if you're just waiting for someone or chatting around, hanging out with your friends.